Assa- Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Hi to all. Today I am going to use Excel and using function inside that one. You click on it, you click on blank. How we will use Excel and function inside that one. For example, we are going to write here mark certificate and press enter. Okay, these are called columns. These are 1 2 3. These are called rows, right? Now first we will going to increase the size. From here you can easily increase. Now this is using for degrees, right? Here bold, italic and underline, and this one using for different type of font. Face is there, which you want, you will click on it. Click this one. Okay, now I want to merge the cell. Tell this, we select this one, it will be converted in one cell, right? If you want to change the color, you can. This center, left, right and center, you can. Here I am going to put the data again. Serial number, first name, last name and full name. Okay, here computing marks, maths, we will use the shift key, maths, and also using science. Only these three paper marks you want to enter. Here obtain, which function we are using. This one for average. If you want to go for the percentage, you can. Okay, it's average. If you want to get a percentage, we can get both. Percentage. Here max value, min value and comments. Let's see. First we want to increase. That was only simple double click on it. Okay, now if you want to merge these till this, you will click here and you can merge. I am going to give the border to only these 3 or 4, right? I am going to give the border, this one using for the border, all border, and around we will give thick border. Okay, here we also give the thick border, right? I am going to write here 1. Here I write Ali. I am going to write Abdul, Hadi, and here I will put the formula, and these first name and last name will be get together, combine this one. Here I am going to write the numbers, and here I will put the formula. I want to increase the zoom in size, zoom in, yes. Now we are here. Now it is easily visible to you. Okay, I am going to enter the second record. Okay, now in second record I enter here some marks. I'm going to enter the less marks also. Now we will see there. Third board record, here we will enter, and we are going to the last record, we will enter here. Okay, we put here this one. Okay, if you are going to format this one, you can, we select from that first you want to increase the size, we can increase the size from here, and this one using for decrease the size. Here if you want to insert, okay, here if you want to insert inside that one some increasing decimal point, you can, right? If not, then you will remove. Okay, now after that I am going to give here some formatting. We click here, right click and format cell, we click on format cell. This is using for alignment, how the text will be you want to display. This one font, right? This one for borders, we click here, underline colors, you can change the color, you can, right? Font color will be changed, border. This is using filling. Background color, you want to change, fill effects, you can, if two color combination you will, right? I want to green and the other one will be this one, maroon color, anyone which you want, you will click and OK, press OK here. Now this will be changed. If you want to change the direction from that one, you can, we click alignment and straight and center line. Font color will be white, if you want to use white it will be visible, right? And bold. Okay, now how we will use the formula here, using concatenate function for that purpose. This one concatenate, this one double click on it, this first cell comma, the second cell and bracket close and enter. Now you can easily see, right, this name is appear Abdul Hadi, but not space is there. We will double click on it, RF2, here we put quotation, shift and quotes, which is near with the enter, space, double quotes and comma and press enter. Now you can see easily a space between these two names. Okay, now if you want to replicate the formula, when this addition sign come, you will drag down. Now it will be automatically copy. If we click here and we will right click in format cell, if we straight that one and press OK, right? Now this one, this wrap text is using for, it will be changed in two portion, wrap text is using for that purpose, right? Okay, now Control Z and Control Z, it will be there again. Okay, now here we will find the obtain mark, simple here Autosum, we will click on it and press enter, automatically it will become, and drag down here, now it will be automatically copy. Okay, now this one average is there, click average, but not the obtain marks, only these three paper marks, and press enter, you will find out the average. Now how you will get a percentage, you will put the formula by yourself, equal to sign bracket, these obtain marks multiply by star sign, asterisk sign, 100, bracket close and divide by how much, 3 paper, then 300 marks. Now you will find out that one percentage. Okay, max function is there, maximum value will become largest value, among these three paper, not the all one, only these three, and you can easily select this one and press enter, and you will copy or replicate that one. It will become automatically the all. Minimum function to find out the minimum value among these three paper only, not the obtain and that one, right? And you will drag down and you can find out this one. Okay, now if you change this one, last one, 45, 30, automatically these all will be changed, 30 and 34. Okay, now how we will put the comments? We are using if condition for that purpose. If this percentage is greater than equal to 50, now we will put here good. If it's less than 50, the other will be, we will write here poor and bracket close and press enter. Now we will replicate this one. It will automatically come just like that, right? Last one is change, that way. If I change this one, everything will be changed automatically, percentage and this one. Now you will see it will be changed automatically. You will save your file from here and you can easily close that thing, and I will inshallah provide you next video and using different type of software. You will subscribe my channel and like video and give the comments, and click on bell icon. When I create new video, it will come automatically to your side. Okay, Allah Hafiz and take care by yourself.